Hi Neelu, how are you?
Hi, Monica. Doing well. How are you doing?
Yeah, great. I'm doing wonderful. Yeah, I would like to answer Dilip like as he has asked ma'am about vertigo. So I'm a multi-modality healer, and happen to have a fortunate. I had been fortunate to learn it from Kavita Jeet Makaba Healing, and I utilized this for one of my clients. She was also having vertigo from childhood. That was a childhood case, and I did that healing, and for it's been I did for 2 cycles and for 21 days, and she has at least the 50% of results has we have achieved, and the healing is still going on with her. And the childhood, because it's a very chronic thing from childhood, and it's like that the person is 35 at this age. So, and it has come within 2 cycles of 21 days, like the it has shown a lot of improvement, and we are still working on it and hope to solve the issue till 100%. So, and it's not like Markaba has I have healed like even other critical cases also. Apart from that, I had a client who was suffering, who got a heart attack and was in ICU, and with the Markaba healing, within just one cycle of 21 days, the person became all right. He was able to walk. I imagine a person on stunt with a heart failure,
Wow.
that working and coming out with coming it's like a critical case is very difficult to handle, and in
Right.
that it was Markaba was wonderful, and it's like you can get amazing results with that. It is I think so. I have had a lot of critical cases. Another one was of tongue paralysis. That total
Okay.
paralysis of the tongue. The person could not talk, and with I utilized that the level the Markaba healing, and I was in constant touch with ma'am also. So in that now the person she's 100% healed. She can talk, and that you can understand a person's situation who cannot talk, and
Right.
the paralysis affects the left. It was even on the left side. The hand was also paralysis. Now 100% healing. That was wonderful. I'm thankful to ma'am for the Markaba healing. That is just it's superb. You can get not only for the day to day things. It is for we can deal with the critical things also. Like ma'am is telling about cancer. I have been fortunate to heal these few of others also. Yeah,
Yeah.
Fabulous.
yeah.
And I would like to add on, Monica has healed at least 5 COVID cases. Am I right, Monica?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
COVID cases she has healed.
One of them
And
being
she's a
my
very good
husband
healer.
itself. My husband itself.
Oh,
Yeah,
fabulous.
yeah,
Super.
yeah. That is the need of the hour. So
Right.
nothing like ma'am, because we have sounds, we have symbols, which like it's a comprehensive thing. Not only one thing. It's like a package. You not in all the areas are covered. There is no area which is left. So you are working on the protection. You are working on the healing part. You are healing from the root. So it is like lots of it's a multi-dimensional way we are healing, and we are giving the person is protected also. So along with that, even the ascension part is covered in that. A lot of insights we get a lot of insights also for the future also. Yeah.
Wow.
We have, actually, we go to the DNA of the illness. So DNA is of that this thing, we release that. And then we go to the chakras also. And then we go very, very deep into to the core of the issue and we heal. So that is why we are able to heal chronic cases. Yeah.
Fabulous. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Monica,
Monica.
Thank
for
you.
coming on and
Thank you,
sharing.
ma'am. Thank you
And
so much.
Thank you, Monica.
many best
Thank-
wishes to you.
Same to you. Best of luck.
Thank you.